In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off sensitive content warning on iPhone. So what is the essence of the sensitive content warning on your iPhone? It helps you to protect your iPhone against adult content. So if any adult content is found on your device, the sensitive warning will send a warning to you that this is actually a sensitive content whenever you want to open it. So if at the end of this video, you're able to turn off or turn on sensitive content on your iPhone, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first thing you want to do when you want to turn off sensitive content on iPhone or turn on sensitive content on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, and here you want to click on privacy and security. Now once you selected that, scroll down, then come down here and you should see sensitive content warning. Click on that. Here you have the option to turn on and turn off sensitive content warning. Here go ahead and toggle all this feature. Then once that is enabled, then you have access to all this information where you want to turn off sensitive content on your iPhone. Here in this case, you may want to turn on sensitive content for AirDrop, contacts, messages, and then video message. So whenever your iPhone is using any of these options available here, and there is a sensitive content detected, your iPhone will put a warning through to you that you're about to open or access the sensitive content. So this is how you can easily turn on sensitive content warning on iPhone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.